Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to cover the pickling and unpickling concept of Python. What is pickling and unpickling? What is pickle module in Python and what we use this pickle module in Python. So guys, the pickle is built-in module of Python and is a part of Python standard library, meaning it comes built-in with Python. Pickle module, this one, we don't need to install any additional packages to use this pickle module. Just import and use this module. And the third line, we are creating a variable with name data to pickle to store dictionary with 3 key values pair. The keys are name, age and city, and the values are respectively gram, 25 and Lahore. This pickle module provides the dump and load functions for serializing and deserializing Python objects. Means for serialization or for serializing we are doing pickling, and for deserializing we are doing unpickling. So let's understand pickling and unpickling with example. So guys, I am going to create one file with built-in function of Python open. The name of file is data with extension pkl. In write binary mode wb as file. In pickle module we have function dump. Our dictionary data is data to pickle, the name of our dictionary and the file. So let's run this program. Here you see guys, we have no file with name data.pickle. After running this script, we create data.pickle extension file in write binary mode to store this data in serialization or pickling. So let's run this Python pickling and unpickling.py. See guys, when we run this script with this command, we generate new file with name data.pickle. So we successfully serialize this data or pickling this data. The pickling process is completed for this data. So on the next line, what we are doing, it's time to unpickle the pickling data or deserializing the serializing data to original form. So what we are doing with open, the name of our file data.pkl as file. The mode is our, for reading this file we use rb, and in pickle module we have another function load. By using this load function, what we are doing, we are deserializing the serializing data to read this when we read this, we will get deserializing data with the help of load function. Let's see. And when this function runs, this will give some data. We will store this data for printing purpose, or what we do next with this data, deserializing data. So loaded data, we create another variable to store this data, return back of this function to store in this. For printing, what we are doing, we will going to print the first original data. Original data is data to pickle. This is our original data, and the loaded data, what we load after serializing. See this loaded data. So it's time to run these two, the original and the loaded. The loaded data have, we expect the original data. Why? We serialize this data and then using this function of pickle to serialize this data or process pickling perform on this data, and then unpickling or deserialize this pickling data. So it's time to get the original data. So let's run this again, this file Python pickling and unpickling .py. See guys, the original data is name and the value is Ikram, and the key is age, and 25 is the value, and the city is key, and the value is Lahore. This is our original data. See guys, this is our original data, and the loaded data, after deserializing, we got the original one, same as the original one. So it's mean we are successfully creating serializing data and then return back to deserialize our original data. So this is enough for today videos. If any doubt in your mind, please comment it and we will cover this concept more for you as soon as possible. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.